Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Thursday, March the 11th, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku we have here. But there is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve this baby. This will be number 2, 4, 5, 3. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 4, 5, plus 4 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. 13. Plus 4 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 5, 19, plus 5 is 24, 26. We have here 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. How about? Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3. In those 2 boxes, here 3, no 3. In that box, 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Okay. Then I cannot continue with the 3. Yeah. Need to wait. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Alright. So now we have 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. And look, we have a 4 here, 4 there, so no 4s in those 2 boxes. So the one box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Those 2 boxes are left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this directly. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Let me see. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Six. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 6, and the 5. 165, 165, 165. Look, we have a 6 and a 5 in this row, the second row, so this box cannot be 6 or a 5. So 1 digit left should be a 1. So 2 boxes left now in this big square for the 6 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright, so we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2, 8, 6. 286, 286, 28. Let me think. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We see an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. So now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this should be a 4. Alright. Then yes, 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And then 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this third column for the number 2. 1 box left in this big square. For the number 7, yes. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. So 8. Well, we have in this big square 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 should be in one of these 2 boxes. So we have our 8 in the middle row in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. This box should be an 8. And this box should be a 2. Alright. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the 9 in this column? 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here. So this box cannot be a 9. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 3 and a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Okay. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in the last column should be the number 8. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in, wait, 1 number left in the third row for the number 2 again. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. I cannot 2 and 3. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. How about those 2 boxes in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 6 are missing. 5 and the 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. Very strange. How about these 2 boxes? The 2 and a 3 in this column. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes and there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Great medium Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Prepare. See you then. Bye-bye for now.